Barry, Samson,
is Meadowbank.
Davey, Indra.
Why did the train just
Talia.
pull over here last minute? This is such a strange service.
Who are here?
It's not. It wasn't meant to stop here.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Unless if it was the very last second it waited. Usually trains don't do it on the last second.
Maybe there was a previous train. No, unless they're like Rhodes and Compromise.
Earlier I saw like an Oscar, but that was probably some like West Ride or Denniston.
Okay,
But
this is the other wing.
unfortunately-
I got the last train.
It did not stop.
Next
How come?
Oh, no, not today.
Your personal
Was it?
belongings with you at all
That's an
times.
Oscar. Okay.
See
Where's that?
unattended baggage. Please do
No,
not
we didn't see any of them
but
today.
notify staff immediately.
Did they get cancelled? Apparently that train must have.
So it's called H7.
Oh,
Okay. I didn't know that.
math. But was it a bit hard? Is it because it must have been cancelled last minute? How come the trains are sometimes like this? They like to wait for last minute without notifying.
Maybe it was the train before. I don't know. Maybe I mixed it up.
But I thought the train didn't stop at Epping, that one. The
Yeah.
Oscar. You told me that.
I thought that was an Oscar. It's not an Oscar because I just googled what an Oscar looks like. It's one of those
will stop
trains.
at Rhodes.
But how come today when we saw my favourite trains, they all just drove through without having to stop? It was so weird. When I saw every intercity, we said, "Oh, Oscar." But you noticed that when we saw them, they were not stopping. They just drove. They just drove straight through.
Cool, because they don't stop at that station.
Look, Rhodes is a big suburb. Why could they not stop here? I wish Intercity stops here so that lots of residents can get to places faster.
Well, this is a big stop, but it's not the biggest stop. This is not like one of the big interchange stations.